Okay, so here I'm adding a bail. Got a cut, and I usually don't cut right in the center of the bail. Cut a little bit off, up higher on one side. That way, you bend it open, the seam will be a little bit more to one side, which I put on the back, and it's easier to reach and solder without accidentally soldering to the jump ring that's on there. So I just close it, and here I dip it in solution that helps prevent it to oxidize as you're heating it up, some flux. And here, you got to get it hot, red hot, and ready before you add the solder. And usually I don't try to put the flame right on the solder, but in this case it's quick and doesn't ruin that solder. So here, a little up close, just put that little bead there. Once it's hot, that flux helps it stick there, and then boom, it's done. Then take them all. Now it's pickle time. Got to put them in the pickle, which is an acid, and just let them sit in there. Really heat it up, and once they're bright white like you see, they're ready to clean up. Here I'm taking off a sprue that was attached to the bail. And once you clean up the pendant the best you can, in this case, you can see I just put them all in there. I didn't do a lot of cleanup because I'm leaving them satin finished with a lot of black on them. So here we go, finished piece.